this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you where to find your TV apps on your PlayStation. So first, I'm going to show you how to get them on the PlayStation Store. So if we go here and then scroll all the way down, we have the option for just TV and videos where we have stuff like YouTube on here where we can go and get that, Netflix, Disney Plus, YouTube TV, etc. But we can just go to the right, go to top apps or get apps right here, and we can find all our streaming options on here, like Spotify too. So once you have this on your PlayStation 4, how do you actually see these apps? Well, there's a specific section called TV and Video. This will be under Library. Go to Library and then go to Applications and then go to the right, and we're going to see TV and Video. So just look for that. Here it is right next to Twitch. So I'm going to select this, and this will open up any kind of app. So if we're trying to get to YouTube, this is where YouTube will be in the future. Just select it right here. Well, here's Twitch too. I can go to Twitch. So very easy to find. Now, when this is on the home screen, it's going to show up as TV and Video, and then we have to go down on the D-pad, and then we can access this little screen. So the applications aren't their own separate applications for some reason. They're all under one little folder category called TV and Video. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.